Evening, welcome to John's Kitchen. Today I am going to steam yam and pumpkin. So I'm going to slice up my yam, cut it round. This will take approximately 45 minutes to cut. Excuse me, to cook. Okay. Put this into the top part of the steam. Alright. Ideally, you can have this with fish, any type of food you wish, or even as a vegan, vegetarian meal, as you see fit. Okay, now I'm just going to cut them into chunks. That's the pot. The trick is for the water to not touch the vegetables and to just add the salt into the water. Put it over a nice high heat. In fact, I'm going to put another piece of pumpkin in there. Because I don't think that's enough. Yeah, what I'm going to do with these seeds, I will wash the flesh off, and I will store these seeds for next year's crop, and God willing, you will see me sowing my seeds, and also I'll be treating the plant with care, and God willing, at it again, we'll watch it grow. And my plan is for me to actually show you how I actually do my thing in the garden, and you'll see the finished product and cook it and eat it. Right, this skin here will actually be part of the meal also, because when you steam it, it will soften up anyway. So I'm just going to add this to the pot. And you'll see me again in 45 minutes. 30 minutes later, not 45 minutes. It's all cooked. Now can you follow me down so I can pour this out?